Hey there, adventurers. I'm Andreas, and welcome to Extreme Rolling, Handcycle, Touring and Adventures, the channel where freedom meets the open road, one handcycle revolution at a time. And that's bliss, brilliant long-term intentional success strategies on wheels. I'm here to share my journey as an unassisted solo hand cyclist exploring the world, pushing boundaries and chasing adventures, and proving that life on three wheels is anything but ordinary. I'll take you behind the scenes of my long distance hand cycling adventures. I'll share how I modify my hand cycle, how I pack my gear, and even my carnivore lifestyle on the road. Because fueling up is just as important as staying on the tarmac. From conquering endless hills to tackling everyday challenges of living out of a tiny trailer, I'll show you how I combine my love of adventure, tech, and adaptability to make these epic journeys possible regardless of my disability. Please join me for incredible stories, useful how-to tips, and real-world inspiration. Whether you roll, ride, or just dream of adventure, there's something here for you. Let's roll into this adventure together, and please remember to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you'd like to see me ride next.